Today's agenda is to get prepared with our labs, like how we can prepare our system to get started with the interesting journey of MLOps. So, I mean, in your laptop, you just have to open any browser and search for two tools. I mean, search for one of them is like VS Code, which is a very popular tool, which is used for coding, for understanding how we can work with code. And the another one is like Anaconda. So it's a tool which will help us create or manage multiple Python environments. So you just have to do a Google search and type Anaconda. Okay, download, and based on your like I mean a device, maybe it's Windows, it's Mac, or it's anything. I mean, you can install on Linux as well. It's not an issue.
So can we
Uh,
have a volunteer who can do this? I know that Kapil, maybe you will have it. So can we
yeah.
have anyone who's a volunteer? Maybe Chris. What about you, Chris? Jay?
Okay.
Sorry, to do what?
Um,
To download
to,
the Anaconda?
to set up the environment. We want someone to set up the environment so that this will be recorded and other students will follow that, because now the
I mean,
class
I
is.
don't mind.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure. Go ahead.
Go ahead, yeah, share your screen. So you can also see the, yeah, everything.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. See the chat.
So
He has shared some links to you.
in the
And
chat. Oh,
copy
okay.
them. You can hide this in the middle. Something is there. Hide. Click on hide, and yeah. So in the middle below there is a hide thing. You can.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah. So start setting up your environment, right? So guys who are doing along with us, just do. And if you are facing any challenge, unmute and ask. I'm also inviting many people in the stage, but you will be getting a pop-up. You need to accept that so that you can come to the stage. Like Yashlok, I have invited you to the stage. Yeah.
Copies, do I have to sign up, or it's a free tool that I just need to
uh,
log
okay. I
in?
mean, actually, you because you have signed. I mean, you have signed up. So if you open your email, you will have a link. But there was an option to skip the sign up system as well. But no worries. I mean, the both ways will work. You have to open your email now to get to click on that link. See, it's telling please check your email for the download link.
Got it. Yeah. So yeah, okay. Create an account or just move forward.
I can't. Maybe I mean you can just paste. Maybe if you don't want to share that screen, just paste that link
Oh,
in the browser.
you can see my screen now.
I just can see your Anaconda screen. That's it.
You are good. You are good. Go ahead. Do those. Yeah.
Okay. So sign up. Wait. Oh man. Quick question, Mr. Raul or Mr. Kapi.
Mhm.
What is the close relationship between MLOps and DevOps? How do they come together? Where do they meet, or how do they like see themselves in a pattern?
Uh, in terms of pattern, I would say like an ecosystem. Like DevOps is like building. They're building like and pipeline starting from the development. You push your code into GitHub, and then it creates a Jenkins pipeline or a trigger kind of a pipeline, which will build your Docker image, and then you finally push it to your Kubernetes cluster or any other environment, right? So this is a kind of an ecosystem which a DevOps engineer is associated with. In MLOps side, you will have teams like data engineers, data scientists who will help you prepare the data, extract the data from different sources. Then you may or may not have certain pipelines which will help you to extract data from multiple sources. You will place the data into a storage, and then you will extract meaningful data out of it. You will perform some kind of preliminary analysis, and then you take the data and you build your code or the pipelines which will help the model train, and then finally you deploy it. So this is how they are associated. Yeah. Yes. The first one, the anaconda.com/download. Yeah, let me see if it gives you. Yeah, do skip at the down. Yeah, skip. Yeah. Yeah, and the left side you have Windows, so you have 64-bit graphical installer. left side you have download button for Windows. Yeah, you can use that as. So yeah, it's downloading for. Oh, you have already downloaded it. Ah, nice. So okay. I think my screen is visible now. Okay, so once you install the Anaconda, and you have to make sure like the VS Code, you have to open VS Code after installing Anaconda. Okay, so that your Python variables and Anaconda variables are updated in your VS Code terminal. Otherwise, just restart the VS Code after you install Anaconda. So Anaconda is first, VS Code is second. Okay.
Do it.
Yeah, let
Half
me.
of the students in my journey, I'll tell you, they don't even set up the lab. And because of that, what will happen? They will never practice. And if you don't practice, even if you practice 25% whatever we teach, you will be able to crack interview. Okay. So at least lab setup should be there. Okay. So don't miss this. This is the most important class. Okay. Yeah. Even I am doing practically, like parallelly for you all and for me because again, I'm going to learn. Let me see. So tell me, Kapil, this why do we need Anaconda? Why don't if you just have Python in our system, will that not work?
That can
Or we
work,
need
but
actually.
yeah, but sometimes I mean in a company, right? So you might have to play around with multiple Python versions. So it's very easy with Anaconda to manage multiple Python versions. So even without Anaconda, you can do that, but you have to then play around with the installation of multiple Python versions, and you have to manually switch their path in the VS Code, which is a challenge. So it's better like we go this way.
Hey everyone, hope you enjoyed our session at LWP Labs. For more videos like this, you can subscribe to our channel and contact the number for live classes. The future is now with AI.